there was somebody at my door. Listen, the
Oh,
other thing I want you to touch on, very important, talk about your other study about the microbiome, because what we're really talking about here now is a quality of life system with all these crazy other things going on. So I think that's really important. We've never talked about that before. So I think that microbiome study is really something significant.
yeah, let's finish up with that. I'm glad you brought it up because the microbiome is our second brain. And I don't say that lightly. What that means is that the conduction pathway, the communication pathway between our brain and our gut is direct. It's a hotline. It's literally a hotline. But most of what we experience in our brain is experienced in our gut. Most of what we experience in our gut is felt in our brain. So they work one in one. They almost work simultaneously with each other. And that's because of the blood supply, the nerve supply, and the direct line of communication between the two. So anytime we have a health improvement in our gut, we have a health improvement in our brain. If our gut is dysfunctional, dysbiosis, we call it, if our gut is in dysbiosis, our brain is usually murky. It's usually not thinking clearly. It's usually not functioning properly, optimally. So what we're finding now is that if we can intervene in a lifestyle paradigm by improving our gut, it'll make a direct line of benefit to our brain. And that's absolutely true. And I'm really excited. I can't share all of the news because it's still in the process of coming out for publication. But I'm hoping within the next couple of weeks, we're going to be able to come back on and I'll be able to share with you in really definitive terms. But I can just say this, that when you follow protein pacing and intermittent nutritional fasting, you actually undergo, for the first time, by the way, this has been proven by us, my research team and our study, using this protein pacing intermittent nutritional fasting, you can actually remodel your gut microbiome. I mean, just to be able to say that is exciting. But you absolutely do. I mean, think about, when you remodel a bathroom or a kitchen, right? You can take a lousy looking bathroom and a lousy, disgusting looking kitchen and transform it into a beautiful state of the art, model for all others to replicate.